America is entering a new technology race, not for faster phones or smarter apps, but for humanoid robots that could transform everyday life. But why are companies investing billions to build machines that look and move like humans?
Imagine a future where robots help in hospitals, factories, warehouses, and even support families at home.
This isn't science fiction anymore. Today's advances in AI and robotics are bringing that future closer every year.
The biggest question isn't whether humanoid robots will improve. It's how they could reshape the future of work and daily life. Let's explore why America is investing in this technology and what it could mean for the future. Across America, millions of jobs depend on long hours, repetitive tasks, and around-the-clock operations. That's why engineers are designing humanoid robots to assist people in physically demanding and repetitive work. The goal isn't to replace every worker. It's to help people perform dangerous or repetitive tasks more safely and efficiently. Imagine disaster zones where robots enter first, protecting emergency teams while people stay in command. From hospitals to warehouses, researchers believe intelligent robots could become valuable assistants across many industries. But if robots become part of everyday work, how will they change the future of America? Inside America's innovation labs, engineers are teaching humanoid robots to understand the world one step at a time.
Every successful movement, every object they recognize, brings the next generation of robotics one step closer.
Imagine hospitals where intelligent robots deliver supplies, allowing medical teams to focus more on patient care. In modern factories, robots and skilled workers could one day build products side by side. But this race isn't only about building smarter robots. It's about building a stronger future. And as this technology moves forward, one question becomes impossible to ignore. What happens when robots become part of everyday American life? As humanoid robots become more capable, one question is being asked everywhere. What happens to human jobs? Many experts believe the biggest opportunity isn't replacing people. It's helping them work safer, faster, and more efficiently. The race to build humanoid robots is no longer about science fiction. It's about preparing for the future of everyday life. Tomorrow's breakthroughs could begin in research labs, but they may eventually shape hospitals, factories, homes, and cities. The biggest advantage won't simply be smarter machines. It will be how humans choose to work alongside them. The future won't be built by artificial intelligence alone. It will be built by human imagination, innovation, and responsibility. If intelligent humanoid robots became part of your everyday life, what role would you trust them with first? This is NextGen Future, where tomorrow begins today. Subscribe and explore the future with us.